Kumusta po? Magandang araw. Alam niyo ba yung pakiramdam na dati sobrang mahal mo yung isang bagay, isang libangan, trabaho o kahit isang tao tapos bigla na lang parang nawala na yung sigla. Do you know the feeling when you used to love something so much, like a hobby, a job, or even a person, and then suddenly the excitement is gone? Parang may mali, di ba? Something's wrong, right? Pero hindi naman dapat palaging may mali. So, pag-uusapan natin dito yung mga pwede nating gawin para mawala yung sawa. So, explore natin para mawala yung burnout so that you can continue with what you're doing. All right. Before we start, we'd like to thank all our members on Patreon. That's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. And if you want to join us, you're welcome to join us. And our website is learntagalogfilipino.com. So simulan natin. Let's start. Let's explore this. Burnout o pagkapagod o pagkasawa o nasobrahan na, na burnout na. Minsan kahit mahal natin yung ginagawa natin, napapagod rin tayo. Sometimes even if we love what we do, we still get tired. Parang yung isang kapitbahay namin, si Aling Rosa, dati super passionate siya sa pagluluto. Like our neighbor, Aling Rosa, she used to be super passionate about cooking. Araw-araw, nagluluto siya ng iba't ibang putahe para sa kanyang pamilya at mga kaibigan para na rin itinda. Pero dahil sa sobrang dami ng niluluto niya, napagod siya at nawalan siya ng gana. So every day, she cooks various dishes for her family and friends. This is also to sell. So food to sell. But because she cooked so much and she's always cooking, she got tired. She lost her appetite for it. She no longer cooks. So naubos ang kanyang sigla dahil sa sobrang pagtatrabaho. Her energy was drained because of overworking. Yun yung nangyari. Na-burn out. She got burned out. Diba? Siguro dahil sa kawalan ng bagong karanasan, lack of novelty, o kawalan ng bagong ginagawa. Lack of novelty. Isipin mo araw-araw pareho lang yung ginagawa mo. Walang bago, parang yung pagkain, kung araw-araw adobo, magsasawa ka rin, di ba? So imagine every day you do the same thing. There's nothing new like the food. If you eat adobo every day, you'll get tired of it, right? So kailangan ng pagbabago para hindi magsawa. Change is needed to avoid getting bored. Okay. Unrealistic expectations. Hindi makatotohanang ekspektasyon o hindi makatotohanang pagtingin sa mga bagay-bagay. Kung inaasahan mo perpekto lagi ang mga bagay-bagay, mahihirapan ka dyan. Kailangan tanggapin na okay lang na magkamali ka minsan. If you expect to be perfect all the time, you'll have a hard time. You need to accept that it's okay to make mistakes. Huwag magtakda ng mga inaasahan na mahirap abutin. So don't set expectations that are hard to achieve. Huwag kang mag-set ng mga bagay na mahirap abutin mo. Don't set expectations that are hard to achieve. Pagbabago sa personal na kalagayan. Changes in personal circumstances. Ang buhay natin palaging nagbabago. Life is always changing. Ang mga bagay na gusto mo dati, maaaring hindi mo na gusto ngayon. The things that you like before, you may not like right now. Nagbago ang kanyang mga prioridad pagkatapos magkaroon ng anak. So isang sentence to. This is one sentence that pertains to this. Changes of circumstances. Her priorities change after having a child. Nagbago ang kanyang mga prioridad pagkatapos magkaroon ng anak. Nakatagong problema underlying issues. Minsan, ang pagkasawa ay senyales ng mas malalim na problema, gaya ng depression or anxiety. Sometimes boredom is a sign of a deeper problem like depression or anxiety. So minsan, ang pagkasawa ay senyales ng mas malalim na problema, gaya ng depression o anxiety. Pagka ganito, kailangan mong humingi ng tulong sa professional. If this is the case, you need to seek professional help. Kawalan ng control, loss of control. Kung nawalan ka ng control sa isang bagay, mawawalan ka rin ng gana. If you lose control over something, you can lose your excitement or your enthusiasm. Example, nawalan siya ng gana na maglaro ng basketball dahil sa mga bagong rules. He lost his enthusiasm or excitement for playing basketball because of the new rules. Meron akong kwento dito, short story, maikling kwento. Si Bangcardo, isang veteranong magsasaka. Dati ay masaya sa kanyang trabaho. Bangcardo, a veteran farmer, used to be happy with his work or with what he's doing. Mahal niya ang kanyang pagtatanim ng palay, pero dahil sa patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo ng mga pataba at binhi at dahil sa pagbabago ng panahon, nawalan siya ng gana. He loved planting rice, but because of the continuous increasing prices of fertilizers and seeds, and because of the unpredictable weather, he lost his excitement and enthusiasm or interest in planting. Naramdaman niya ang pressure na kailangan niyang kumita ng sapat para sa kanyang pamilya. Naisip niya na baka kailangan niyang maghanap ng ibang trabaho. He felt the pressure that he needed to earn enough for his family. He thought that he needed to find another job. So malungkot, that's a sad story. Malungkot na kwento yan. Pero hopefully, if you're in this kind of situation, you could do it, you could make it. You just need to have a different perspective. Siguro kung ganito nararanasan mo, kailangan mo lang ng bagong perspektibo. Dumako tayo sa vocabulary. Let's read our vocabulary. Let's proceed to our vocabulary. Pagkapagod, burnout, tiredness, pagkapagod. Next is kawalan ng bagong karanasan. Lack of new experiences, a lack of novelty. Kawalan ng bagong karanasan. Next is nakatagong problema. Underlying issues, nakatagong problema. Next is kawalan ng control, loss of control, kawalan ng control. Next is putahe, dish, putahe. Next is gana, appetite, interest or excitement, gana. Next is magsasaka. Farmer, magsasaka. Next is palay, unhusked rice, palay. Next is binhi, o buto, binhi. Seed, binhi or buto. So, huwag tayong matakot na mapagod o magsawa. Ang mahalaga ay alamin natin kung ano ang dahilan at humanap tayo ng solusyon. Minsan, pahinga lang ang kailangan. Minsan naman, pagbabago. Let's not be afraid to get tired or bored. What's important is that we know the reason and find a solution. Sometimes, all we need is rest. But sometimes, change is needed. So, yun. Ito ang ating episode, and that is our episode. If you would like to join us on Patreon, join us on learntagalogfilipino.com or go to patreon.com /learn Tagalog Filipino. So if you're studying Filipino, you can do it. Kung nag-aaral ka ng Filipino, kayang-kaya mo yan.